Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. We are unboxing some more birthday challenge entries. This is from We Shall See. Oops. This is from Elaine. She's Scrap and Craft Queen on Instagram and on Facebook. So I don't think she has a YouTube, but this is an adorable card. So cute. Look, you guys, everything is packaged adorably. So we're gonna put the little card right here. I'm gonna definitely save this tissue paper, and I'm going to take out the packages. This one says for Liller. Ooh, this one says for wifey. And then we have some more little goodies. Oh, look at her cute little heart popcorn. Move that to the side. There's another package down here. Ooh. Caramel cream scented bath bomb. And what is this? Well, I'm definitely saving these little hearts. Let's move the box. Spread out all the goodies and see what we got here. So first I'm gonna check what's in this bag. And I think this is her birthday card. Look how cute. I'm gonna have her link down below, so you guys can definitely go check her out. She left it blank so that I can use it. Look at this. Well, I hope it's not coming in from the inside, but look, you guys. Super cute little shaker card. She gave me the envelope. I love that, you guys. You know that I've said already a million times that you guys are amazing for leaving them blank and for me to have them. And then she gifted me this caramel cream scented bath crystal. I gotta smell this. I love all these kind of things. Let's see. You open it up like this. Try not to rip the box. Okay, so it goes, maybe I can smell like this. No, I can't. I don't want to rip up the box completely as of yet, but look at this. So cute. Looks like a little diamond. And then we have, in this little Ziploc bag, I think are her embellishments. Yes, they are. Look how cute. Look at the little cake charm. So cute. So that's her first one. And then her second embellishments are, of course, my faves. Cute little bows. I love them. And look at this bag. Is this not the cutest? I'm going to put them right back in here, because I still have to organize all the embellishments you guys are sending. Love it. And then we have this one, which I think is her tag slip. I'm almost positive it is. Yep. Look at that. Okay. Let's take this out of here. Or should we look at this first? Let's see what this is first. Look at this. It's a cute little like cupcake, and then it has like, she made me confetti. This is so cute. I love that. Thank you for that. And then this is from my wife. And let me open up mine. Ooh! Sent us some candy. So I got some caramel with sea salt and some Godiva masterpieces. Yum! Oh yeah. I'll let my wife open hers when she gets home from work. So we got a card. Excuse me. I'm coughing at least once in every video. We are going to go through her tag flip. I don't want to rip this bag. I could totally use it. Put that right there. Ooh, look at this. Look at her tassel. Super fun. Look at this little charm. And then we're gonna go and look at the tassel itself. Look at the first tag, you guys. Super cute. Cork. It's your day. Little pom-pom trim. Ooh, she decorated both sides. Look at the balloons. Super cute. Ooh, she gifted me a bunch of little resin pieces and buttons and stuff. You guys see that? It says sweet birthday and some little candles. Ooh, look at this little chunky monkey. Look at those layers. The little macaroons, the little cupcake. Let's eat cake. Cute. Look at the back. A little yellow bow. Here's another little baggie with a bunch of little knickknacks. So cute. I love that. Here she has a clear little pocket with some die cuts and cutter parts. Cute. Look at the trim. I love the tags, the way you designed them. Look at this one. It's a cute little pocket. Oh, she gifted me a little ice cream sticker. That's cute. And we have this one right here, which is a little shaker. And then what we have here. Oh, there's a little face mask in there. You guys been giving me face masks? I'm gonna be ready. And my skin's been so dry. Look at this one. And it shakes. Super cute. Oh my gosh, thank you so much for this, Elaine. This is the one from Elaine, right? Yes, it is. I'm gonna have Elaine's handle linked down below, so you guys can definitely go check her out. Thank you so much for entering. Thank you for thinking about my wife. I'm sure she's going to love that candy. And that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye, guys.